Hello student, now I am telling you exercise 7.2. See first question. Average age of 5 boys is 18 years. If the youngest boy is 4 years old, you have to find average age of 4 boys. So average age of 5 boys is given 18 years. So average sum of ages upon 5 equal to 18. So we will get sum of ages equal to 18 multiplied by 5, that is 90 years. Now age of youngest boy is given 4 years. Therefore sum of ages will be 90 minus 4, that is 86 years. So average age of 4 boys will be 86 upon 4. We will get 43 upon 2. Or we can convert in mixed fraction. So 21 whole 1 upon 2 years. So answer will be B part. Now see second question. Average age of Jack and Peter is 36 years. Average age of Peter and Misa is 35 years. And the average age of Jack and Misa is 29 years. Find the age of Peter. So see, average age of Jack and Peter is given 36 years. That means Jack plus Peter upon 2 equal to 36. So Jack plus Peter we will get 36 multiplied by 2, 72 years. We will let this be first equation. Now average age of Peter and Misa is given 35 years. That means Peter plus Misa upon 2 equal to 35. We will get Peter plus Misa equal to 35 multiplied by 2, that is 70 years. We will let this be 2 second equation. Now average age of Jack and Misa is given 29 years. That means Jack plus Misa upon 2 equal to 29. So we will get Jack plus Misa equal to 29 multiplied by 2, that is 58 years. We will let this be equation 3. We will get Misa equal to 58 minus Jack. Now we will put Misa equal to 58 minus Jack in equation 2. So we will get Peter plus 58 minus Jack equal to 70. That means Peter minus Jack equal to 70 minus 58. We will get 12. Let this be equation 4. Now we will add equation 1 and 4. So what we will get? We will get Peter plus Jack equal to 72. Peter minus Jack equal to 12. Jack and Jack will be cancelled. We will get 2 Peter equal to 84. That means Peter equal to 84 upon 2. We will get 42 years. That means answer will be B part, 42 years. Now see third question. Average age of two brothers is 44 years and the ratio of their ages is 23:21. Find the age of elder brother. So average age of two brothers is given 44 years, means sum of ages upon 2 equal to 44. So sum of ages equal to 44 multiplied by 2, that is 88 years. So ratio of ages will be, it is given in the question 23:21. So sum of ratio will be 23 plus 21. We will get 44. Therefore age of elder brother will be 23 upon 44 multiplied by 88. Simplify it, we will get 46 years. So answer will be A part. Now see fourth question. Mika bought 5 pens at rupees 25 each and 7 pens at rupees 35 each. Find the average cost of a pen. So cost of one pen is given rupees 25. So therefore cost of 5 pens will be 5 multiplied by 25. We will get rupees 125. Now another type pen, that cost of one pen is rupees 35 and 7 pens were bought. So cost of 7 pens will be 7 multiplied by 35, that is rupees 245. Now total cost will be 125 plus 245, rupees 370, and total number of pens bought were 5 plus 7, that is 12. So average cost will be total cost upon total number of pens. So 370 upon 12. We will get 185 upon 6, that is rupees 30.83. So answer will be B part. Now see fifth question. Average age of students in a class is 11 years. On adding the age of teacher, their average age become 12 years. If the age of teacher is 40 years, then how many students are there in the class? So let number of students in the class be x. Average age of students is 11. That means sum of ages upon number of students equal to 11. Sum of ages upon x equal to 11. So sum of ages will be 11x. Now if age of teacher is added, new average becomes 12 years. So now number of students will be x plus 1 and sum of ages will be 11x plus 40. So 11x plus 40 upon x plus 1 equal to 12. So we will get 11x plus 40 equal to 12 in bracket x plus 1. Now we will solve it. We will get 11x plus 40 equal to 12x plus 12. So 40 minus 12 equal to 12x minus 11x. So we will get x equal to 28. Therefore number of students in class are 28. So answer will be C part. Now see sixth question. In sixth question it is saying if average of 7 numbers is 14 and each number is multiplied by 3, find the new average. So average age of 7 numbers is given 14. That means sum of 7 numbers upon 7 equal to 14. The sum of 7 numbers will be 14 multiplied by 7, that is 98. Now let the numbers be x1, x2 and x3 like this till x7. Now each number is multiplied by 3. So numbers will be 3x1, 3x2 like this 3x7. So new average will be 3x1 plus 3x2 plus 3x3 plus 3x4 plus 3x5 plus 3x6 plus 3x7 upon 7. 3 will be common. In bracket we will be left with x1 plus x2 till x7 upon 7. Now we have earlier got x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 7 value as 98. So 3 multiplied by 98 upon 7. Simplified we will get 42. So answer will be C part. Now see question number 7th. In 7th question it is saying that a grocer has a sale of rupees 6,435, 6,927, 6,855 and 7,230, then 6,562 for 5 consecutive months. How much sale must he have in the 6th month so that he gets an average sale of rupees 6,500? The total sale for 5 months we will calculate. We will add all the sale of 5 months. We will get 34,009. So required sale will be 6,500 multiplied by 6, that is 39,000. Therefore sale for 6th month will be 39,000 minus 34,009. We will get 4,991. That is answer will be A part. Then see 8th question. Average of 10 numbers is 0. At most how many numbers may be greater than 0? So average of 10 numbers 0 means sum of 9 numbers should be equal to negative of 10th number. So let us take the sum of 1 to 9 numbers. We will add all the numbers from 1 to 9. We will get 45. So the 10th number should be minus 45. As average of these 10 numbers, when we will calculate, we will get 45 plus minus 45 upon 10. So we will get 0. So greater than 0 numbers are 9. So answer will be D part. Now see last 9th question. In the first 10 overs of a cricket game, the run rate was only 3.2. What should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach the target of 282 runs? So for first 10 overs, run rate is 3.2. That means runs scored were how many? 3.2 multiplied by 10. 32 runs were scored. Total runs to be scored are 282. So runs left to be scored in 40 overs, 282 minus 32, we will get 250. Therefore run rate in the remaining 40 overs, 250 upon 40, we will get 6.25. So answer will be A part. Thank you.